Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Sketchup tutorial how to bevel edge. As example, I will create a rectangle and use pull tools to convert into 3D. Now, if you want to bevel in the top of these objects, you can create for the bevel profile. I will use this tools line we create in it. And the next we can use the follow me tools. You can click these icons, follow me, select on a face in this profile, and then you can move again into here, click at this point, and the next and in this end point you can click to apply, so it will be automatically before the edge. Okay, I will create again. See in the bottom here you can create line, the bevel profile, and then use the follow me tools, select at this face, can move into this point, click at this point, and the next in here, the last in this endpoint. So that's it for a basic SketchUp tutorial how to bevel edge. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.